Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to rotate our parts using our secondary toolbar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into FabriCAM here. So in today's video I'm going to show you just a quick example or practical of using the rotation and why this can be quite important. So I'll start by making a new sheet. I'm going to go 2000 by 1000 beam diameter 1, and let's just quickly add a flat part here. I'm going to use this L shape looking one. Then I'm going to set this to 500 600 for the width, so height 500 600, and then the width of the length I'm gonna make 300 and 300. Say okay, and now under manual quantity I'm gonna make this 6 and then say add. Now by default, if I add these parts, even if I try really well, we won't be able to fit two on each other. So if I'm lucky I can get 4, but definitely no more than 4. So as you can see now, we've got 6 parts we want to try to fit onto this cutting plane, and this is a lot of wastage space because this one I cannot get on top here because it's just too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these, delete them, and then what we can do is I'm going to add shapes at the bottom here. Then it's going to make 3 of them, and then what I can do is now I'm going to set the rotation. So under the first one here on our primary toolbar, sorry, let me just fix my zoom here quick. There we go. I'm going to set the rotation, and then let's make this 180. I want an exact rotation right around, and then to confirm it you want to click on this little rotation button. But what this will also do, if I have a shape selected and I click it, it will rotate it for us or it should rotate it for us in 180 degrees. Let's try that again. Say rotate. Okay, now it's not doing it. So let's say add a new shape, and now you can see this one is rotated at 180 degrees. So I was under the impression you could rotate them straight in here, but maybe maybe that is not the case. But in any case, so we try to move us more there and just see what happens. If I go to 0, then rotate, okay, also nothing happens. So it's good to know you have to, oh there we go, now it works. So I'm not sure what's happening there, but in general I know you had to click this little button. Once you've set it, then it rotates it for you. But then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back, make sure this is on 180, click these parts and add them to the canvas. So now as you can see, with a simple rotate feature or option from our secondary toolbar, we were able to add 2 more shapes, which now we've got all our shapes on. As you can see, we've got 6, so we've got 6 over here, so we've got all our shapes on our cutting plane, and this saves us a lot of cutting sheet in the long run. So this will save us cost and time, because now we only have to cut once instead of having to cut 2 times just to get the extra 2 out. So just a quick recap again. So the rotation tool will be here on the actual first part, and when you're done I would recommend send this back to maybe 0, just so your default shapes come in right, and then yeah, you can actually rotate your shapes. Now like I said, it should work if you've selected it and click it, but obviously if the shape cannot rotate within the space, it will definitely not rotate. You kind of need open space around it, and then it should be able to rotate like so. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the rotation tool for the secondary toolbar. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.